gonna run across some sort of super band. Velvet Revolver happened to be one of those.
Celtics wrap up the win.
Well, it's save at
Rio Santa Cruz battles. Yes, you better cost
/RX reward.
Or drop out to help.
Mozart's Oboe Concerto with Fumiaki Miyamoto and the English Chamber Orchestra, Jose Luis Garcia, the conductor.
This week from Symphony Hall, Andres Nelsons leads the Boston Symphony Orchestra in Shostakovich's Second Symphony, as well as Tchaikovsky's Violin Concerto with soloist Daniel Losakovich. I'm Ron Delakies, inviting you to join us for the Boston Symphony Orchestra, Saturday night at 8 on 99.5 WCRB. Music on WCRB is here thanks to you. And Bryant University, for 156 years, dedicated to educating and inspiring students to excel as they become innovative leaders of character, prepared to make a difference around the world. Learn more at bryant.edu.
Coming up in half an hour, a beautiful performance of Debussy's Claire de Lune with the pianist Inon Barnaton. And right now it's Edvard Grieg, his second Peer Gynt suite with the Bergen Philharmonic, and Ole Christian Rhode.